Srinanda Nilkani.
And I think we all agree that NPCI is a crown jewel of India's technology sector. And in fact, NPCI, the structure of NPCI, which was set up by the RBI in 2008 as a non-profit company for payments, has definitely, I think, far exceeded the expectations of all the people who created NPCI. And it set the stage for what we call as national information utilities. And then using NPCI as a template, now we have many other bodies of similar structure, whether it's the GSTN for taxes, whether it is Digiyatra Foundation for the Digiyatra app, whether it's ONDC, all these other tech companies that we have set up in India on a non-profit basis to create the digital public infrastructure were all essentially based on the NPCI model, and that's what we hope that they will also be able to add value to everything. What we're seeing today in India actually is a transformation that is amazing. We're going from an offline, informal, low productivity economy to an online, formal, high productivity economy. As millions of people join society, they get digital IDs, they get bank accounts, they get mobile connections, they use the digital capital to get access to credit, they build businesses. And we are going to see, therefore, over the next 20 years, a huge formalization of India, where everybody joins the formal system. And I think it's going to be an amazing phenomenon that is going to happen. And it's all, of course, been possible because of the digital public infrastructure which we have. But actually, three things have come together: digital public infrastructure like Aadhaar, UPI, and so on, but also the amazing infrastructure of entrepreneurs who are here today. I see so many of the people who have set up amazing companies. And just to give you one statistic, in 2016, there were 1,000 startups in India. In 2023, there are 100,000 startups in India. So it's not 10% a year growth, it's 10x growth in the number of startups. And I get to meet a lot of the young people, and they're all amazingly competent, ambitious, and have mind-blowing ideas. So I think this extraordinary crucible we have in India of great leadership at the political, at the Reserve Bank level to allow innovation, the digital public infrastructure which we have enabled, this massive energy of young entrepreneurs which we see here, and of course the technology density we have of people, the fact that we have millions of people with deep tech talent. I think this extraordinary crucible is now coming together, and I think we're just seeing the beginnings. I really believe the journey is only very much halfway on the way, and I think the next 10 years are going to be even more exciting. So I won't take any more time. Let's see the demos. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Well, on that exciting note, that's right, we're about to head towards the launch, the demo itself. We have with us none other than Shri Kunal Kalavatia, Chief of Products, NPCI. Let's have an exciting round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you. Thank you for this great opportunity. Thank you, Governor, sir. Thank you to RBI for creating such a vibrant, powerful payment system and energizing it from time to time, sir. This really is phenomenal. Thank you, GFF, for getting so many of us again in this room together. Thank you to the banks, fintechs, the payment players for really lighting up the pathways of Digital India. Thank you to NPCI. Thank you for the hard work, the collaboration with the ecosystem. While we are the most influential company around the globe, but I think, let me put it this way, we are also the best place to work for the country. Thank you for that one. Like Sir said, last month we did, sir, billion transactions worth 15 lakh crores. It's earned so much of credit for us and the country. I think it's also time to take the same credit back to the citizens back. So bringing to you, when you talk about credit, there are 3 Ds which never seem to be meeting like a triangle. Deals, dates, and dreams. When the sale comes up, it's actually 10 days before the salary period. And it ends just 1 day before the salary period. So you have a great deal, but you don't have money in the bank account. You need to renovate your house, but you also need to spend for the laptop that you want to give your child for the education. Every day there are dreams and dilemmas that we are chasing. ट्रेन पकड़ते हैं भीड़ में धक्के खाने के लिए, लेकिन 2 व्हीलर की शानदार सवारी भी कर सकते हैं. This has to change. This has to change.